The beautiful principle being sharing is the universe is always meeting us halfway. Meeting us halfway. So whatever we activate internally, including our intention, our wish, our deepest desire, deepest commitment, deepest purpose, the universe, the infinite energy, meeting us halfway. So more we learning to aligning internally, connecting internally, cultivating internally, the more the universe, the energy, life, continuously meeting us halfway. So again, in this holiday, really important meditation is, what does it mean, gift, what a gift means in life. And how we continuously giving, receiving gift. More importantly, continuously manifesting, cultivating, embodying the gift.